In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to Notion. If you're looking to enhance your Notion workspace with interactive elements and dynamic content, you've come to the right place. Widgets are a fantastic way to enrich your pages, offering more functionality and aesthetic appeal. So, let's dive right in. Starting from your Notion homepage, you'll want to locate the database where you wish to add your widget. This could be any page or workspace you've already set up, and the idea here is to find the specific database that will benefit from the widget's capabilities. Once you've navigated to the right spot, you're ready to proceed with the embedding process. Next, you'll be using the embed command, which is a shorthand in Notion for adding various types of media, including widgets. By typing embed into your page, you're effectively instructing Notion to prepare for the addition of external content. When you do this, a small menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll need to select Embed. This action tells Notion that you're adding something interactive or externally hosted, which in this case is our widget. It's a simple and effective way to streamline the process, ensuring that your content is seamlessly integrated into your workflow. Now, here comes a critical part for any widget you intend to add: getting the actual link. Typically, widget services provide you with a URL or an embeddable link specifically for integration into platforms like Notion. You'll want to visit any trusted widget site, select your desired widget, and copy its link. Think of this as grabbing the unique address of your widget so that Notion knows exactly where to pull this information from. Once you have the widget link, head back to your Notion page. You'll paste this link into the embed link box that you've set up earlier. It's straightforward. A quick paste of the URL into the field provided by Notion, and you're nearly done with this process. Finally, click on Embed Link to confirm your action. This final step ensures that your widget is securely integrated into your database. Now you can enjoy the enhanced functionality and visual appeal right within your Notion page. Widgets like calendars, weather updates, or even interactive charts can provide immediate information at a glance, dramatically improving productivity and organization. And there you have it. Embedding widgets into Notion is simple, yet it opens a world of possibilities for customizing your workspace. Once you get the hang of this, you'll likely find more ways to integrate different widgets and tailor your Notion experience to perfectly suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy Notioning!